Okay, so we're in my workshop because 90-second unboxing of, yes, c'est arrivé, or really I should be saying,
它到达了
which is the same in Chinese. So before I do the unboxing, just a very quick thank you for all you guys who answered queries that I dropped onto the group, onto the Facebook page. I probably wouldn't have pulled the trigger without that. I'm pretty handy with this sort of stuff. I've done all the conversion on my van, including electrics, plumbing, that sort of stuff. But I start from the premise that I know absolutely nothing, and then I geek out on those who've done it before me, suck up on their knowledge. So thanks for that. And of course, massive thanks to the organisers of the group. Fantastic use of social media. Right, let's get on with this unboxing. Right, I've got just 90 seconds to unbox this bad boy. Okay, so what did I order? I ordered a 12 volt, 2 kilowatt single outlet. I hear you chuckling already. Box is good nick, a little bit of tearing there. Let's see what we've got. Let's look at the labels first. The label on this side is looking encouraging. And on the other side, is that a 2 overwriting a 5? We don't know. But actually, it looks like the pictures on the outside looking good. Mind you, it's like there's pictures on Tinder in it. Looks good, but when you rock up there, very different story. So mate, mine tells me. Anyway, 90 seconds on luck, let's go. Aha. So, 10 litre tank. That's what was causing the damage, bashing on the box. 10 litre tank. Instructions. Wow, you know what? These actually look like they were written by an English person. I've done loads of Chinese stuff on my van, all electronics, solars, all Chinese. The stuff's okay. The instructions sometimes can be not so okay. I haven't got a clue what this is, but it does say 12 volt, 2 kilowatt. The rest is in Chinese. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. 3 labels in Chinese. I've got a little app that will translate that for me. It does say 12 volt. Looking good. Okay, so that is the main beast. Let's just quickly see what controller I got. I ordered the simple rotary one. Simple rotary one. Okay, let's see what's missing.
Okay, so this is what I ordered. And this is what I got, and I've only got 7 seconds left of this unboxing, so I'll let you play spot the difference. Answers in the comments below, and bench testing will be in the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching. Bye.